Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making some pork ribs. I think half of the ribs I'm going to fry, and then the other half I'm going to bake in the oven. And this will be my first time frying ribs, so hope they come out right. I'll show y'all that in just a few minutes. But my ingredients that I'm going to be using on the ribs is complete seasonings, sea salt, accent, black pepper, and garlic powder. So in this bag right here, I'm going to also, flour is going to go in that bag. How many of y'all use y'all's leftover grocery bags for battering? I mean, some people use like Ziploc bags or whatever, but why use that when you got a bag right here? Oops. It may be too much, but it's okay. And now that the flour is in my flouring bag, I'm going to also, the same seasonings that I'm going to be putting on the ribs, I'm going to add to the flour. Salt, complete seasoning, accent, oops, black pepper, and garlic powder. So this is all ready for the ribs whenever I'm ready for it. So let's just set that to the side. So the ribs, right now the ribs are in a bowl and it's looking like, let's see if I can show you without spilling the water. And this is simply water, seasonings, and a little white vinegar. Some people use apple cider vinegar, and that's fine too. I just decided to use regular white vinegar. And the purpose of this is to, well, first off, it's been sitting in here for maybe about 3 hours. And the purpose for me doing this is to try to help break down the meat fibers so it won't be so tough. So the pork won't be as tough when I'm frying it, because it'll be more of I guess a quicker cook when you're frying it versus putting it in a crock pot or letting it slow cook in the oven, which I'm going to put some of this in the oven. But for the ones that I'm going to fry, I wanted them to be a little bit more tender before I actually fry them. So that's the purpose of doing this. And I'm going to pour this water off, and when I pour it off, I'm not going to rinse the solution off. I'm just going to leave it on. And again, I think some people do rinse their solution off. I'm not going to rinse mine off, okay? So, right here. All right, and I also have, let me get this pan. I'm going to set this pan here so it'll be easier to season as I take it out. Y'all see, I don't know if y'all can tell, the color is more of a pale color instead of it being a bright pink. It's more of a pale color, and that's from the vinegar. Let's see that one. And we have this one. So this was a whole slab of ribs, and I just basically cut it up into 3. And yes, I'm pouring this in the sink, and as y'all know, I will go back and rinse the sink and all the surface areas to make sure everything is clean, okay? So it's going to go ahead and season with the garlic powder, And like I said, y'all, this is my first time making fried ribs. So hopefully it turns out good. Let's see. Okay, because this is my first time doing frying the ribs, I'm not sure how they're going to turn out, and I would hate to waste. So I'm just going to maybe cook, like fry this portion, and this portion, and this portion I'm going to put in the oven. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now that when I started frying these ribs, once everybody tasted them and realized that they really, really liked the taste of the fried ribs, I ended up not putting any ribs in the oven. Instead, I went ahead and cut the rest of the ribs up and I fried all of them. So I'm gonna be frying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm gonna turn my fire on medium, let the pot get hot. And I'm not sure of how, I'm gonna put enough oil in here to see if it may not necessarily cover the ribs entirely, but I at least want half of the rib covered, and then when I flip it over, cook the other side. So I'm gonna pour this in here. And I think that's enough. What y'all think? Can y'all see? So this is how much oil I have. And I know y'all probably still can't see exactly how much is in here, but this is all I'm going to be using. Let's flour the ribs. Give this a little bit of a toss. Hold on 1 second. I'm trying to hurry because I don't want the oil to burn. So